Welcome. Today we're building a luxury miniature tiny house from scratch using mud and bricks. First, we prepare the foundation by measuring the ground, applying mud cement, and laying tiny bricks with precision. Now the walls begin to rise. Layer by layer, window openings and the front entrance slowly bring the structure to life. Next comes the roof, followed by roof wooden beams and carefully placed clay tiles. With the structure complete, exterior finishing begins. Smooth plaster, realistic doors, and detailed windows enhance the design. Now comes the most satisfying part, painting. Warm colors transform this tiny build into a beautiful luxury home. Finally, grass, pathways, and trees complete the scene. From raw soil to masterpiece, it's finished. From raw soil to a beautiful tiny home, every detail matters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next miniature build.